Hi y'all. So I am so excited to show you all this brand new collection that just launched. First of all, I want to show you the pieces that I got when I signed up for Sparkle, which is like our conference. So here are the first ones. These are the Remy, and they are the black. And look at those marquee shaped stones. They're jet black, and these are adorable. So these kind of are taking place of our icon. I like them better because I like the more sparkle. And then this piece right here, this is a bracelet. We don't know what it's called yet because it is going to be a style drop, and we do not know when it's going to be dropped, but I love it. It really reminds me a lot of the viola that we just recently had. So I cannot wait to see it being dropped, but I loved the combo, this little combo together. So cute. And then here's a new necklace. I am so sorry that I do not remember the name of it right now, but it just had come in, and so I wanted to make sure I showed you all this. This is stunning on. I could not believe how gorgeous it was on. Let me get the name of that one for you here in a minute. And then the new gilded earrings. So a lot of people didn't talk about these, but I want to tell you, these on are so pretty. They're like that butterfly effect, where they're kind of like wings on either side, and they just kind of shape your face and give you this really classic, gorgeous look. Look at these on. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So much prettier than they seemed. And you can see how they're going to catch the light. They've got the movement. They are just beautiful on. So I am so excited about these. Now, I've got a couple silver pieces that I got in advance also, and then we're going to open the box. So this is the Ritz, and I am so excited to have this. This one reminds me a little bit of our veil, but it is in silver. So my silver gals are going to love this. It is a cushion cut, and you can see it is actually encased in silver all the way around it. Solid back, so if you wanted to wear a solid, you could flip it over and wear it that way as well. But I just paired it with the railing because I thought it looked really nice with that. Just simple pairing. That's like an everyday necklace. And then we've got Beauty. And this one I think is going to be super popular. Beauty is this gorgeous scroll work. Let me get it out from underneath all of these other pieces, y'all. Okay, there we go. It's this gorgeous scroll work heart. It is so pretty. It's antiqued, it's silver, it's on this heavy, can you see, snake chain. And this is going to be one of those statement pieces that you are going to want all of the time. And I had paired it here with the Trudy. I think that if you wanted to do a layered look, the Trudy is going to be a perfect pairing with this, no matter how you choose to do it. And then I just had popped on a simple Monroe just to give it a little sparkle. If you want it to have a little more sparkle, you can toss the Monroe in there, and that's going to give you that little more sparkle. But the Beauty from the new collection. All right, now let's open this box. Let me get these out of my way so that I don't make a mess, because I probably am going to make a mess. Y'all know I drop things. It's just the way it is. I don't mean to, but I drop things. All right, so I have not opened the box. I have got over 20 pieces from the new collection that I cannot wait to share with you all. So I'll be back in a minute to share those with you.